Asher, what's with that? What did we find down in the storage place? Joel, can you tell me what Asher has?
A fire truck.
Whoa, that's pretty cool. Does Asher like playing with it? Whoa. Hey, Joel, can you let your brother play with it too? Let's see what he has to do with it. Whoa, he wants to push it. Hey, Joel, can you show your brother how to fix the bottom of it? Okay, show it to him. Don't do it yourself. Show him how to do it. Can you give your brother a tool to have him help fix it?
That's right here, though.
Good job, guys. Asher's fixing the truck. Is that cool, Joel? Good job, guys. Good job fixing the fire truck.